Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, you'll see that I have a variety of things going on. I'm a musician, I'm a professional artist, I work as a graphic designer. I like to delve into every facet of the art world or anything that's creative. And over the last year or so, I've been picking up bladesmithing and blacksmithing and really enjoying that new craft. I've been making knives, swords, and pendants and just, anything I can get my hands on. And today we're going to make a troll cross pendant like the one I'm wearing. It's a Viking pendant. It's to ward off malevolent magic, keep good luck by your side. By no means is this the only way to do this. This is just my process and the way I like to do it. So hopefully you like it, hopefully you learn something. And if you do like it, like, subscribe, do all that jazz. And feel free to check out some of my other videos. You might see something you like. that's it for that. Very simple little thing, but it's fun to make, and you can make these by the ton. I suggest you give it a try. If flaxen thing's something you want to give a go, this would be a great project to start with. You don't have to put the pin in it. That's my little flair. But, if you want to give this a go, give it a go.